Welcome to Rustbuster's Installation Guide for Chevy GMC's 1995 to 2004 Silverado and Sierra 1500. Before we begin, if you're uncomfortable with any of the processes listed in this guide, we strongly suggest you seek the work of a professional. Ensure you have all the tools and utilities listed, and that you're following all the manufacturer's safety precautions during use. Step 1. Disconnect your vehicle's battery and inspect for potential fire hazards such as leaking fuel lines and engine components. Prepare or remove these before starting. Finally, clear the work area of any safety hazards. Step 2. Jack up your vehicle. Remove your bed and leaf spring. Cut out the rivets retaining the leaf spring hanger bracket and remove the bracket. Then, grind the frame free of rust and debris, revealing bare metal. Spray the work area with a weldable primer to help prevent against rust development. Step 3. Remove the perforated plates located on your center frame section to fit over the rear frame crossmember. After removing the plate, hold the center frame section up to the frame, making sure the frame holes align. You can insert the 2 bolts to hold the part in place. Step 4. Following proper welding procedures, tack weld the center frame section onto the frame before welding it on fully. Finally, paint the part with primer or other rust inhibitor to help prevent or reduce the risk of rust formation. We recommend our Rustbuster Rust Converter and Primer Spray Paint. Reinstall the leaf spring hanger bracket and leaf spring. Then you're done!